Hello everyone, welcome back to the weekly market updates. I am Shaurik Khedgawat. This week, Indian stock markets have touched a new milestone by executing 23,000 crores of block deal in single day. इससे पहले ये रिकॉर्ड 17,800 करोड़ के आसपास का था, जो कि 13 मार्च को जब BAT ब्रिटिश अमेरिकन टबैको कंपनी ने ITC में अपना 3.5% स्टेक ऑफलोड किया था. Such huge block deals have clearly established that the confidence of investors is the highest level and also the demand is robust among domestic and international players. इस डील का सबसे बड़ा हिस्सा आया वोडाफोन आइडिया की तरफ से, जिसमें वोडाफोन PLC UK ग्रुप ने इंडस टावर्स में अपना 18% स्टेक ऑफलोड किया, which has come to around 15,000 करोड़ रुपीस. जहां इस हफ्ते निफ्टी एक नैरो रेंज में ट्रेड करता हुआ नजर आया और रिपीटेड अटेम्प्ट्स के बाद भी 23,600 के ऊपर कन्विंसिंगली बंद होने में नाकामयाब रहा. वहीं बैंक निफ्टी has clearly outperformed all other indices and clocked the gains of more than 3.5% for the week. On the back of strong buying in HDFC, ICICI and SBI, Bank Nifty has made a new all-time high of 51,900 levels. And it seems that now Bank Nifty has come into the driving seat of the markets. And the same trend has been seen in the mid-cap and small-cap indices, where mid-cap has remained almost flat for the week, whereas small-cap indexes have clocked a gain of more than 2.5%. As Bank Nifty has outperformed all other indices, similarly, private bank sector has remained the top choice of the investor for this week. FIs have not only become the net buyers, but also their quantum of buying has significantly increased. Also, their positions in derivatives have turned positive. Now there are 72,000 contract longs in DEX futures. So for the week, FIs and DIs both are net buyers with 13,000 and 9,000 crores respectively. For this week in US, IT index Nasdaq has remained almost flat, whereas Dow has gained 1.61%. US में अनुमान से ज्यादा जॉबलेस क्लेम आने की वजह से एक बार फिर से IT सेक्टर की रफ्तार में थोड़ी कमी आई है. Whereas Bank of England has kept their interest rate unchanged at 16 years high level of 5.25%. In commodities where gold has remained flat for the week, silver has again clocked negative returns of 2%. वहीं Brent crude oil ने इस हफ्ते 3.5% से ज्यादा की तेजी दर्ज की, which is due to the seasonal uptick in demand and also the possible production cut from the OPEC. Representatives from Indian stock markets have urged Finance Minister to increase the STT on high-frequency traders. Retailers Association of India के अनुसार भारत में रिटेल सेल्स 3% ईयर-ऑन-ईयर बेसिस पे बढ़कर आई है. Axis Bank company and its subsidiaries had decided to increase their stake in Max Life by almost 0.9% for 336 crore rupees. In another news, Hindustan Aeronautical Limited has received an order from Defence Ministry for 156 light combat helicopters. Housing Urban Development Company HUDCO has raised $200 million from its overseas lenders to improve the urban infrastructure. Wipro ने पार्टनर किया है दिग्गज मल्टीनेशनल कंपनियों के साथ उनका डिजिटल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इंप्रूव और एक्सपेंड करने के लिए. This is it for the week. We'll come up with more interesting updates next week. Till that time, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much.